Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we're going to unbox a model kit from Moderoid Company, which came from the series TITANOMACHIA or TITANOMACHIA. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I want to pronounce this as TITANOMACHIA. And this is a model kit that is designed by Naoki. And aside from Moderoid Company, there's another company that produces the same line, which is the Kotobukiya, and they're the one in charge of making the character model kits. And for Moderoid they are the one producing the Mecha models. And aside from this model here, which is the Edelstein Zwei, there are other variants of this also from Moderoid, but I find them very short or very small. And as you know, I'm a collector of 1/100 scale or master grade model kits because I like larger kits. And this one is fit in my collection. So I find this model kit interesting because it's not a Gundam, but it has a resemblance with the Gundam. As you can see in the box here, it looks like a Gundam mecha model. So this is the 1/48 scale Edelstein Zwei, and let's check this kit out and let's see what this TITANOMACHIA has to offer to its buyers. Let's check this kit out. The box here is not that big. The box is the medium size, and we can see here how Moderoid portrayed this mecha here, the Edelstein Zwei, about to be launched from a ship where the soldiers or the mechanics are assisting it from the bottom of the mecha. And the box is really simple, but for me this is elegant. And we can see here the Moderoid logo and the TITANOMACHIA title here in the upper left corner. And we can see here that this is a 1/48 scale and designed by Naoki. The name Edelstein Zwei or Edelstein 2 is a German term, and what I observed from watching mecha model anime and building mecha model kits is Japanese are using or frequently use German terms for naming their kits or mecha or even the weapons of their mecha models. And it's very nice since I am also studying German language. I can relate and I can know how to properly pronounce these German terms for these mecha models. So in the box, the side of the box here, we can see this Edelstein picture here, or blueprint or prototype blueprint here also. And then at the back of the box, we can see the front view and the rear view. And the design of this kit is really interesting. It's a unique, it has a unique feature where we can see some bulky or masked. It looks chunky on the upper part, but on the feet or the legs it's very small. It looks like, or it can be compared with the Gundam 00 mechas like the Exia. It has sexy legs or sexy feet, something like that. And we can see here Edelstein has this big rifle, but there's this beautiful feature where you can recreate or you can customize the gun of this kit. You can make it short barrel or long barrel like this. And there we can see the gun being placed on one of the wing panels, something like that. And it can wield also melee blades, which is very nice. It looks interesting. And we can see here a pilot figure where it's standing here, and the other one is being seated inside the cockpit. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual. There, the instruction manual. It's again, it really looks like a Gundam Master Grade manual. It has a similarity with the Gundam Master Grade manual here. And we got two of these, the black one and the white one. In this black one, we can see the parts list. These are the parts. So there are many small parts, as I can see here. And there we got some print for the Edelstein, same like what we saw in the back of the box. And you can see some explanation here, but unfortunately these are all in Japanese, and I hope, or I wish, they made some English translation of this, because I think this is an interesting words that they are telling here. And there's this episode here, and they're telling about some brief portion from this series, or a brief explanation for this series. And this one, we got the white one for the assembling manual. So we can see colored printouts for each parts, which is very common to Moderoid Good Smile, because they used to make color printout for their models. And there you can see how this is assembled. It looks simple, by the way, and I can recommend this to beginners, because it looks really that easy to build. Okay. So let's go to the parts. You can see here white parts for the armor pieces. There. Then another white parts for, I think this one for the head. And we can see here, it really looks like a Gundam model kit. So you can see the face here. It has the resemblance to a Gundam, where we can see this those green eyes with the black background, and the chin looks like a Gundam. And there we got white parts here again, small packs of plastics here. So these are all in small packs, individually packed. There we got gray parts here for the hands. And judging the looks of these hands, it really looks like a master grade Gundam swappable hand. But these are not swappable, because these are all they call this replacing hand parts. So there are yeah, you can see also swappable fingers. So it has a resemblance with Gundam hands. Yep. And there we got this small parts here, small pieces here of plastic. So I find this very tedious, since all small parts are individually packed, something like that. And there we got white parts, blue parts there, white parts with the yellow part here, small. So be careful when unpacking this. And cutting this from the runners because you might lose these small parts. Then we got these blue parts here, dark blue parts. We got this at last we got a one big runner here for gray parts. I think this one for the inner frame and guns, the gun. And we got here white parts for the armor pieces and gold parts for, I think this one for the waist. And finally we got gray parts here with the pilot figure. We got this 1/48 scale pilot figure, and again these are white parts. And we got foil sticker here. These are green foil stickers. Let me just share a piece of information that I researched about this kit. Is the GR here means Grim Reaper, and Edelstein 2 is part of the alpha grade Grim Reaper, and this like the Gundam for that series. And the other variants are the beta grade Grim Reaper, which are, it's like the mass-produced model kit or mobile suit, something like that, from their anime. And so let's have a quick review of the runners before we build the kit. As always, let's start with these chunky runners here, because most of the runners from this kit are very small, so be careful when unpacking the runners from the plastic packaging. So here we got the large gray parts here for the rifle, and this is runner EI, and another gray parts here for, I think this one for the inner frame. We got runner F, another gray parts here. We got runner EE or runner double E, and we got two of this. So we got runner EJ and runner EM for the gray parts. And this EJ here is the hands, but unfortunately I might not be using this because I will customize the kit into Dalin 1/100 scale hands, so I will disregard this piece here. And we got here runner L for the inner frame parts. We got this small runner K here for the blue parts. We got this runner E here, gray parts. And we got joint parts here. It's like polycap, but this is not your poly. It's like a polycap joints, but these are made of PE. I think this one is different kind of plastic, polyestyrene, something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can comment it in the comment section. And this is your runner G. And for the white parts here, we got runner D and runner N, light gray parts. Okay. Another small frame here for the blue parts, which is runner EL, runner C. Then we got this blue parts here, runner EC, and another runner EC. So we got two sets of runner EC. Then we got here a gold plastic here, which is runner H, I mean. And we got runner I for this small light gray parts. Then we got this pilot figure, the one which is standing and the one being placed inside the cockpit. And this is your runner ZA. Got a big chunk of light gray runner here, which is runner EB. Then this small yellow runner, which is runner J. We got runner A here, white parts. Runner B, another white parts. Runner EK, this one for the hands, the dorsal part of the hands. So I might not be using this small runners here, because I will convert this to doll-in hands. Then we got this small gray parts here. I think this one for the connectors, joint connectors. So be careful with this. These are all 4 small one and 4 large ones. Yeah. So be careful with this. Then we got mostly white runners. This one runner EG for I think this one for the shoulder accessories, and another runner EG. So we got 2 of this runner EG. We got runner EA here, the only pre-painted part here for the face, which looks like a Gundam. Yep, as you can see. And runner EB here, white parts. Runner M, runner EF, runner EH, and another runner EH. So we got 2 runner EH. So this is it. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and see you next time when I finish building this Edelstein 2 model kit from Moderoid under the design of Naoki. See you next time. Goodbye, God bless, and take care. Masalama.